Hey guys, what's up? This channel here, and today we're going to be doing some unboxing. So, yes, let's get into it. I'll just get me scissors. What? Got the scissors. It is the one from America. I think this is the Thomas ER or something. Not too sure. So here's front, side, the back, the other side, the roof and the bottom. And yes, it is a pullback. Stop sign opens, unlike my other Thomas. I think it's international, sorry. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. Second package. I wonder what this one is. I'm hoping it's my Cambridge one. Probably not. No, I know what this one is. This one is a big bus model. Wow, it's tiny, but it's the big bus. Tours model. Let's see if I can open it. Oh yeah, piece of cake. Pretty neat if I do say so myself. That's the card art of the box in case you're wondering. It's just another bit. Place that there. Yeah, there's the box itself. First stop adventure. Pretty cool. So here is the model. Oh, it's even a pullback. So yeah, here's front, side, back, other side, roof and the bottom. Don't say you made this. So, it's time to get the thumbnail. So thank you guys for watching and peace out.